future tense, past tense, present tense. Let's look at the present tense. What is it? And let's look at the simple present tense even more so. But remember, if this is your first time to the channel, subscribe, click on that like button and keep watching, because we're here to learn English with Adrian. So, let's get started. So, the simple present tense. Try and keep English simple. So, the simple present tense is a simple statement of facts, saying things that are true. Yeah, things that are true. Things that are true. It's true. Talk about things that happened again and again. What did you do yesterday? What are you going to do today? What are you doing again and again and again and again and again? They keep repeating. Again and again and again. Talk about things that are always true. Always true. That are not. It's not going to change. It's not going to change. Paris is the capital of France. There is a door here. This is a white board. This is a red pen. It's not going to change. It's not going to change. It's not going to change. Happened again and again. Like I ate breakfast. I recorded a video. What do you do again and again and again? I wear braces. Again and again and again. I wore braces. I wear them. Things that are true. Not going to change. I wear glasses. My hair is black. This is a white shirt. This is a white board. This is the red pen. There's a floor here. Things that are true. Things that you can't really, arguably, without going too meta, things that you can't really disprove, things that you know are indeed true. You know it's right. There's a door just there. That fact is not going to change. But let's keep going. Let's keep learning. Let's keep learning. So, to create simple sentences, it's the verb and the s. The verb plus s. Simple statements. So, we could say, I eat, we drink, you eat. But we add the s when we have he, she, or it, or even names. Then we add the s. Otherwise, we're just saying what's happening. What's a simple statement of fact. I eat. What's happening again and again? We drink. We always drink here. You eat. Do you eat that? You eat that often? Or again, with the s, he eats. He eats a lot. She drinks. She drinks most of the time. Oh gosh, she drinks most of the time. She drinks every day. It eats. It eats its food. The dog eats its dinner. Adrian drinks. Or Adrian reads. Adrian reads from the board. He dances. Again, he, she, it, or names with the s at the end. S at the end of the verb. He dances every day. You dance every week. You dance every week. You dance every week at the nightclub. You dance when you want. Yeah. When you want, of course. You do what you want. When you want. She drinks She drinks most of the time. Oh dear, something's wrong with her. She drinks most of the time. Who she is, I have no idea, but she's drinking most of the time. But simple statements of what is happening. I eat, we drink, you eat, he eats, she drinks, it eats. He, she, it, or names, we add a s to the verb. He eats. Nice and simple and straightforward. Let's keep going because it gets a little more complicated than that, like most things in English. But let's keep going. So, to build upon verbs and being used in the present simple tense, we add es when it comes to he, she, it, names, or plural of things. But we add the es to the verb that ends in sh, ch, o, ss, x, or z. Why? I don't know. So go. We are going to the party. She goes to the party. He goes to the party. It goes to the party. Watch. Watch. It's watching you. She watches it. She watches it. She watches the TV. Cross. Crossing the road. He crosses the road. Yeah, he crosses the road. She crosses the road. I cross the road. You wouldn't say I crosses the road. It would be he crosses the road. I cross the road. You cross the road. She cross us. She crosses the road. Fix. Something's broke, gets fixed. He fixes. He fixes the phone. The phone is fixed. You fix the phone. He fixes the phone. Their phone is fixed. Finish. Like to complete something 100%. Finish. You finish the race. She finishes the race in record time. Phone. You phone him. He phones you. I phone you. You phone me. He phones. He phones me. She phones me. But then let's look at others as well. Teach. I teach you. She teaches you. Does something. He does it. He does it. I don't know what it is, but he does it. And the past tense, even he did it, but he does it. Washers. Washers. I wash my suspenders. I wash my braces. He washes the braces. They washed the suit. They wash the cat. Oh gosh, the cat. Okay, that one. Okay. He washes the mat. The mat. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Blushes. Ooh. Blushes. Ooh. She's blushing. She blushes in front of you. He blushes. It blushes. You blush. You wouldn't say you blushes. You blushes. No. It blushes. It blushes. It blushes. She blushes when she sees you. Ooh. 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 Ooh, senor. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. A few more things. But it's worth emphasizing and mentioning that we don't add s. Ooh. We don't add s for you, we, or they. We say they teach. They teach. We don't say they teach us. It's a little different. They are teachers. They're a teacher, but he teaches. He teaches, not you teach. Not you teachers. It's he teaches. Likewise, it's you learn. You learn. Oh, this pen, it's running out. You learn. Not you learns. Not you learns. You learn. He learns. It learns. They learn. I learn. You learn. Yeah. But it's worth understanding that, because you don't want to get your present simple tense mixed up. You don't want to get your verbs mumbled and jumbled all over the place. But, however, what you want to do, if you want to learn more English and keep watching other videos, subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification next to it so you never miss a video. And keep learning. Keep learning English with Adrian. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. But for those of you that stick around to the very end, there's a bonus lesson just for you. Do. When do we use do? How do we use do? Let's find out. When we want to form negatives, negatives, or questions. So, do you ride the bike? Nice little question there. Do you ride the bike? Do you catch the bus? Do you wash the car? Did you wash the car? Or even, do not touch it. Don't touch that. Do not wash it. Don't listen to him. Using verbs and sentences. Remember, do not touch. Do you ride? Questions. And negatives. Negatives. Or questions like asking. Yeah. But That's the simple present tense. Yeah, how cool is that? But remember, however, if you want to learn more English and you want to keep going with your English, subscribe to the channel and watch more videos. There's plenty more out there to come, and there's plenty more already on the channel. But until then, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.